Hello and welcome to UnlockLife. You are listening to our Take It Easy series, which is made just for seniors. We hope you like it. In this episode, we will see how to mark favorite contacts and how to add them on your home screen. Adding favorite contacts to your home screen lets you call or message them quickly without searching through your contacts list. It's also very useful because it saves time and ensures you can easily reach your most important contacts when needed. Open contacts on your phone, then tap on any contact you want to mark as a favorite. Now scroll down and you will see the option to add to favorites. Tap on it. Now you can either tap on a message, a call, or videos. This will create a shortcut for that particular mode. Once you have added your contact to favorite, we will now see how to add them on your home screen. Tap and hold on your home screen until the icons start moving. Now tap on the plus icon in the top left corner. Scroll down and tap on contacts. This will add your favorite contacts to your home screen. Just tap on the add widget. Now, you can make your phone even smarter by just adding your favorite contacts to your home screen. And that's all for today. We hope this was helpful. You can download our app for more such tips. Download link is in the description below. Our app also provides assistance for any needy seniors may have. Our library has a huge collection of music, videos, games, and many more for seniors. You can also join our exclusive social club for seniors to socialize, discover, and enjoy. You can also call or WhatsApp us at 98989 58411. Thank you and see you again soon.